To begin, we're dicing up 2 carrots, 1 celery stem, a medium-sized onion, 2 cups of smoked ham diced into cubes. In a large pot over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, add the vegetables in, followed by the ham, add in 3 cloves of garlic minced, saute the vegetables in the butter for about 5 to 6 minutes or until they begin to soften. Now add in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Continue cooking over medium heat for about 3 minutes. Let's cook off the flour. Then add in a splash of cold chicken broth. We don't want the flour to get lumpy. Give it a stir. Add a little more and give it a stir. At this point, we may add the rest of the chicken broth. Now raise the heat to medium-high. We are also going to add 2 cups of water. Now let it come to a simmer for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and prep the potatoes. We're going to cut the potatoes into about 1/2 inch cubes. Soak the potatoes in cold water until needed. After 15 minutes, drain the water from the potatoes and add into the soup. And we're going to cook the potatoes for about 15 to 20 minutes. Give it a taste and see if we need to add salt. Depends on how salty your ham is, you may or may not need to add more salt. We are going to add a pinch of salt to taste. And after 20 minutes, the potatoes should be ready. Let's give it a test. Yep, they are ready. It is time to season it. Add in a pinch of cayenne pepper, freshly ground black pepper to taste. At this point, also taste and adjust for salt, but mine is perfect. Now, to make the soup a bit richer and a bit heavier, we're going to mash it with a potato masher. But we don't want to mash it all. We want to have chunks of potato in a potato soup. Then 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Give it a stir. And as soon as the heavy cream is nice and warm, we are ready to serve, which only takes a few seconds. This soup is so delicious that every single time I make it, it is gone within minutes. And to finish it off, garnish with fresh chives. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, ham and potato soup. Enjoy. Buen provecho.